Today I'm going to show you how to make your subwoofer completely vanish using nothing but your ears and one legendary test track. The biggest mistake is bass overlap. If your main speakers and your sub are playing the same frequencies, they create a booming mess.
Start with the crossover dial all the way down. We're using Jennifer Warnes' Way Down Deep. Listen to that big rolling drum. Slowly turn your crossover dial up until the bass starts to sound chesty or thick. Then back it off 5%. You want the sub to pick up exactly where your main speakers naturally stop. In this track, the drum should feel deep, but the vocals must stay crisp and above the bass. You want the sub to pick up exactly where your main speakers naturally stop. In this track, the drum should feel deep, but the vocals must stay crisp and above the bass. Now let's fix the timing. If your sub is a different distance from your seat than your speakers, the sound waves cancel each other out. This is the phase issue. Try this now. Sit in your main listening chair. Have a friend flip the phase switch, 0 to 180, during the heavy drum hits of Way Down Deep. Don't look at the switch. Just listen to the impact of that drum. In one position, the thud will feel hollow and disconnected. In the other, it will feel like a single solid punch right in the center of the room. Go with the one that feels fullest in your chest. That's your speakers and sub finally working in sync. Now let us get the volume of the sub just right. Play your test track and gradually turn it down until you can hardly hear it. Then turn it down a shade more. The sub is providing just a hint, like salt in a meal. Too much and it spoils the meal. Just right and it is beautiful. Now turn the sub-main switch off for a minute, then turn it back on again. It should sound like you have suddenly got bigger speakers. That's when it is just right.
If you use Way Down Deep, let me know in the comments. Did the phase flip change the way you hear that drum hit? Blending by ear is an art. It's about texture and timing, not just volume. In the next video, we're going to verify these by ear settings with actual test tones to see how close your ears really are. Until then, keep listening.
Thank you, and keep enjoying the music. From the Yorkshire Audiophile,